Hi everyone, it's Dan here from Elite Joint Solutions. Today's 2-minute talk is going to be on back pain. I think the first thing to point out is that back pain, believe it or not, is incredibly common. And the data in the UK shows that roughly 90% of the population will experience back pain at some point in their lives. And sadly, half of those people, 50% of those people, will then go on to develop recurring back pain at a later date. So why does back pain keep coming back? Well, there are a couple of significant factors. The first one is lifestyle. So if you, for instance, a manual worker and you'll be lifting a lot of the time, that can be a factor. Likewise, if you're office-based and you sit down for a long time, that can stiffen the back up and lead to pain as well. Other major factors include weak core muscles and a loss of flexibility around the spine. And then finally, leading a fairly inactive sedentary lifestyle, that can be a contributing factor to reoccurring back pain too. The good news is that whether your back pain is muscular, joint related or disc related, taking control and tackling these issues can make a real difference long term and can certainly reduce the instance of back pain in the future. So when should you see me? Well, the first one is during an acute episode. I think if you're struggling with severe pain and the pain is not manageable, then seeing someone like myself can help give you some good temporary relief whilst the body is starting to recover. And those treatments commonly include acupuncture, gentle massage, and joint mobilization. And then alongside that, we can also offer medications such as anti-inflammatories, weak opioids, and if you're suffering with things like sciatica, then neuropathic agents can be quite good short term. In terms of recurring back pain, if this has happened on a few occasions, then it's really important that we work together to identify any lifestyle factors that might be driving the symptoms. And then looking at improving the core as well. On average, you'll need roughly about 6 sessions of our treatment, which is the combined physio, chiropractor, massage approach. And that spans over roughly an 8-week period. And you should really start to see the results anything between 3 and 6 months. And our advice is then that you keep up with the rehab long term, which has been shown to reduce that instance of back pain. I hope you found this helpful and you've liked the content. Like I said, if you want anything specific, any specific information on a certain condition, then please DM me and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.